Awesome, so I just got this in the mail. Got a K-Cup manual coffee press from Gourmia, one of my favorite companies. So I washed it all up, so you'll see it here in a few pieces. And I'm going to make my husband a cup of tea. So you can see inside the plunger, they actually fit perfect in there, and you can see all the parts. So there's that sharp needle to puncture the K-cup, the interior, and this plunger. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed, but plunger comes out, and this is where you pour the hot water. We'll do that in just a little bit. And on here you can see, I don't know if you can see through here, your sizing. Alright, so my hot water and their teacup is almost ready, so let's get him a cup of tea. So just fit the K-cup right in there. Push down on it. But I put his coffee cup underneath there before we have a mess here. And then you need to fill with hot water, obviously. And you can see it's already going down because, of course, there is a pupa, but you can assist with a plunger. And you can see it all just going down. I think with the tea, I don't think you really need the plunger, but with the coffee that I did earlier this morning, I forgot to take a picture of it, but you needed to plunge it down. And you want to plunge slowly, because if not, you're going to put too much pressure. You've got your manual. Oops, it stopped. But you've got your manual K-cup. This is going to be my go-to for camping. I will have my K-cups for camping.